What's up, guys? It is a couple days before I leave for Simply Clean in Florida, and right now we have the E30 loaded up and we are about to drive up to Cincinnati. My buddy Daniel and a couple other friends are opening up a shop, Perpetual Stylings, and so we're taking the car there to have some work done. And Ari, if you could please stop jumping on me, that'd be great. But yeah, we're taking the E30 down there. They pretty much moved into their shop yesterday, so there should be a decent amount of people there hanging out, and I figured it'd be a good day to film, see what kind of shenanigans we get into.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. I'm gonna go hang out at the new shop and drop the car off for some fun things. Some things are gonna happen. It's gonna be cool. And we out.
Yeet. Alright, 3 hours later, rolling up to Cincinnati, or not exactly Cincinnati, North Kentucky, where the shop's at. Soro was there in 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what to expect from the shop because I saw a Instagram story yesterday of Daniel throwing hammers at the wall, and then he did a burnout in there. So I don't think they're allowed to knock walls down. I'm not sure why he would throw a hammer at it, but we'll find out. We're like fucking. What you doing?
I have paint on my hands.
So first thing I gotta ask you, why are we throwing hammers at the wall yesterday?
Oh, because this wall's being knocked down. Hopefully.
Really?
I didn't really get the yes yet from my landlord to knock down the walls, but I threw a hammer through it. So if we can't do it, I gotta fix it. So yeah, there's that.
Obviously we got a couple cars here already. We have Daniel's BRZ and we have Eric's fucking 240, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably wouldn't have seen, but I shot a really cool set with this car outside of a liquor store and it looked fucking sick. So go to my Instagram at LEP_automotive, check it out. But I am in love with this car. Work emits. What's up, bud?
Two Soro boys right here. I was really working for that. Woof.
This side spins. No, it won't.
Fuck it. We're gonna paint it. If it's mold, we'll just paint over it. It's fine. Oops. It fell. I tried to grab it. I didn't realize it was paint. You're like, oh!
Right here. Work the seams in. Work them right into the wall you're going. Take the wall. Take the wall. Feel the groove. Feel the work. Feel them in there. Feel it. Feel it. Oh, I'm feeling it, baby. Yeah, go up, Billy. Go up, 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 up. Yep, 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 yep.
Put it down. We're not doing this right now.
Jacob, put it down! Where's my beer? Jacob! What? Fucking beer! Fuck you! Fuck you! Cincinnati! You made me my fucking beer! Follow that slut on Instagram again, Daniel! You got fucking chicken tenders from Tony! You eat my chicken tenders too! I'm fucking wrong, Daniel! Fucking game on, Daniel! You French fry having ass motherfucking town, nigga! Not on me! Fuck it! No! I'm saying tired of your shit! You wanna fuck? I'll fuck you!
You're more successful than that. It's like smacking the dick on the pussy. Hey, buddy.
Oh, I'm fucking rolling. Oh! On 2, 3, go! 1, 2. Wow.
I hope there's enough plates there.
Oh, shit.
You, I guess.
I got a confession to make.
What are you gonna make?
That pizza is as greasy as my pussy right now. Grease my pussy lips, Daniel. Yep.
It's greasy as fucking dick.
Put it on my bun, Daniel.
I bet you would eat it.
Daniel.
You fucking cocksucker.
He was not ready, bro.
We're done.
That was fire. That was a good shot.
I have no idea. There's holes in our wall. I don't know.
It's the culinary perfection that is Uncle Ray's cheese pizza. All of it fell off. Good as new. I don't think that one's filling.
Good, bud? I need to drink a little bit more and then I'll fucking run through that goddamn wall. Can we please do this? Oh, yeah!
No.
You got a fucking hammer?
Why do you have a hammer in your purse? Alright, Michael Myers.
Oh shit! It went through the outlet on the other side. I'm crying.
Hey, buddy, that's fucked.
That's a glory hole.
How did he nail the outlet so perfectly?
Oh my god, you've done that.
Get all that ass in the jeans.
Liam, no!
the climax.
Up a little bit. Jesus Christ.
Oh, you're damn right, your fenders!
Oh, shit! I did not know it was fucking going that hard. Dude, I got fucking rushed. Oh, it was so hot. Dude, I did not know it was going that hard. Oh, yeah. Dude, we're fucking driving home now. We're about to get fucking kicked out of this fucking place. You better have Taylor pressure wash that. Dude, yeah, go pick up the fucking pressure washer. How you feel about that, Samantha? She's pissed.
You ain't selling it now.
I'm selling it tomorrow. It's not gonna happen, bub. I was gonna bring it around the fucking building, but I didn't want to fucking hit the old fucking dumpster. What is that thing?
Oh, the Acura? Yeah, don't hit Eric's car.
Scratch the paint. S10 did a 10 out of 10.
He fried it.
Let her rip, let her eat, baby.
First, you drop your
All right, right there, you're good.
Take the wires. Should be good, Daniel. We're working it. There's something stuck in here.
Well, that's solid.